Given that we are losing $300 million a year, which is about 1.5 billion kina, based on the information that you supplied, and if we are losing 1.5 billion kina every year for the last 4 years, that's already 6 billion kina we've lost as a country to these people. I personally would like to see some serious actions in protecting our people, our landowners, protecting yourselves, because you don't have the capacity to deal with it. None of you have the capacity to deal with it at the moment. So would you go so far as to recommend to this committee to say, ban every single person that's coming from this particular province? We work with the government of that country to help us, and we get rid of every single one of them. If that is if we have to take the same decision that West Africa did, they've already set the precedent. So if we are going to do it, it's nothing new. Our people are unprotected right now. For the last 4 years, we haven't been able to protect our people. We haven't been able to close our borders. We haven't been able to stop $300 million worth of gold from somehow just miraculously disappearing from our country. So, would it be a recommendation? I know you are focused in the mining area. I'm more interested in the bigger picture. We can't do anything right now, and I want to take a shortcut to solve the problem. Would it be a recommendation that, first of all, and I know that immigration is not here, and I know that the labor department is not here, as the chairman has said, would it be a recommendation then to, first of all, refuse all permits, all entry permits from anyone from this particular province, from this country? Two, to start rescinding all the employment permits and entry permits for all of these people from this particular country, from this particular province, to save our country, to save our resources, and to save our people. What would you say to that, Mr. Nektab?
Hon Governor, what I would say is that, people that come into the country should have a purpose to be here. And purpose has to be genuine. They got to obtain proper permits and that to be in the country.
No, let me understand. But you sabe pinis lo tok blo you yet. Osem you sabe olsem des lo main troublemakers you sabe pinis lo. You yet you talk. Lo neck blo you. So me kisim neck blo you na me like ask him. You was man ya. Walk blo you. You know walk blo me. Walk blo me em lo. Support him you also government country na talk walk him. So
Okay.
me come back lo you know. You sabe pinis lo des lo binatang no good ya. You sabe pinis. You mean no call him name blow straight, but you sabe pinis. How by me bane symbol people blow me. Resources blow me, country blow me. How by me make it?
I would say, lawbreakers are not invited in this country. They got to go. They got to go. You break the law, you're not a, genuine, person to be in this country if you're not from here, if you're from overseas. So you break the law, you got to go. You don't need to stay here anymore. You got to go. You got to make sure that you get out of here.